Royal Rajasthan Rally Edition 5th. When we had the first event in 2010, we started off from a very small hotel, and the flag off, even the pre-event scrutiny, the number of cars, not many people took it very seriously. Raj Singh Rathod, the main guy behind the scene on this for this event, and his dedicated team over the years proved that they can pull it off. This particular year we had almost 28 entries in the extreme, including 2 categories of T1, T2, and the third category was T3, which are ATVs. So approximately 10-12 in T2, 10-12 in T1, and what 8 in T3. So they are running for overall classification as well as the fastest driver.
Royal Rajasthan Rally is something like where you have a great scope in practicing in sand, how to drive in sand 4x4. Somebody who's more into adventurous sport, I guess this is the best platform where he can initially start off with.
This is my second time in the Royal Rajasthan Rally, and I would never miss this rally because it is one kind of rally where you expect more. They raise the level every year and you look forward to it. I look forward to it throughout the year. Whenever the dates are out, I'm the first one to go and register for it and make sure that I am in there for the competition.
This rally in specific I've been doing from the very start of this event, I think some 4 years back. I think it's a short and sweet rally. I'll sum it up like that. Lot of extreme terrain. The best part, short stages and loads of them. So like you're doing 6 stages in a day, but they're all like 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers, you know. So that's what makes this rally an awesome one.
We are from Chennai. All over came here to participate in RR. Wonderful experience. Once again, 2015 also we participated in Polaris, or is bar we are participating in Gypsy. Experience was awesome.
This is my second Royal Rajasthan Rally. Last time there was some incident, so I came with a bang this time.
I've been participating into Royal Rajasthan Rally for past 2 years in the extreme category. It's my home playground. I've been practicing here for past 5-6 years, and as Raj Singh Rathod is a kind of an inspiration for me because for past 16 years, 17 years he's been representing Rajasthan in motorsport around the India for rallying and all. So he's been a great inspiration for me.
had 13 stages for this event in the extreme category, covering various terrains, including the Salt Lake area, Sambar.
I really like the night stage. Despite I wasn't having any extra lights, we did decent timings.
Tracks are amazing, very interesting, thrilling and full of challenge. तो इसमें इतना और कंपटीशन भी इतनी हाई होती है कि यू आर ऑल द टाइम यू आर ऑन योर टोज अबाउट कि भाई क्या टाइमिंग निकल रहा है, कौन क्या हो रहा है। जो पहले दिन रिजल्ट होता है उसकी बजाय लास्ट दिन तो कुछ इट टर्न्स आउट एब्सोल्युटली, मतलब यू नेवर नो कि हु इज़ फिनिशिंग एंड हु इज़ नॉट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे।
A certain state was a mix of a lot of loose sand, very heavy desert, I'll call it. Then we had gravel, which was also heavy. Then stones and boulders, I'll call it, and then tarmac, and uphill and downhill tarmac. So I think we experienced like all sorts of rallying which happened in different parts of the country in one short stage of, I think it was somewhere around 17 odd kilometers. Navigator to a rally driver is like a bolt to the nut, I'll call it. I mean, you know, navigator is the guy who tells you where to go, how to go, what speeds you can keep at. A driver personally cannot look into the GPS all the times and know that he's on the right track or not. Of course, he cannot come to know the terrain he's going to get into after the next corner. So the navigator keeps telling you, you know, now you can go fast, you have to slow down, there's a bit of danger there. Like our road books have double caution and triple caution signs, which the navigator will keep telling you, you know what will come ahead of you, and you prepare yourself and your car to behave accordingly. So it's like the most important thing that you need on your left side.
The tracks were very difficult. There was a lot of loose sand, and it required a lot of navigational skills, which my navigator Venu did an excellent job on it. We didn't get lost anywhere in the track. Especially the Sambar Lake was very, very fast, and I enjoyed the whole thing because of this vehicle. Polaris suspension is amazing. You don't feel any bump, any jump, nothing in it. It's like you're sitting inside and taking jumps, but you're not feeling anything. So I really enjoyed the drive.
The Sambar Lake 30 going and 30 coming back was super fast. We did something like 165 kilometers an hour on that. They were a bit technical in the terms of you don't know when a ditch or a bump comes in front of you and where you go flying.
About stages, the most I enjoyed was the Sambar Lake. That was an amazing flat out. मतलब दूर दूर तक कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. आपको वे पॉइंट दिए हुए थे, उसके ऊपर से चलना था. एंड इट वाज एक साइड ये हो रहा था कि कहीं हम कुछ मिस ना कर जाए कि पीसी कंट्रोल आ रहा है तो वो मिस ना होना चाहिए. और दूसरी तरफ ये था कि भाई स्पीड भी ड्रॉप नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि सांबार लेक में. ऑन second thing that we were warned about the water logs in the lake bed, then we were supposed to be very conscious, and we also had a one time U-turn not to enter in the water body.
सांबर was favorite because of its speed. So speed वाला जो factor था उसमें that was the best part.
My favorite stage I would say would be the Thar Express and the Sambar Lake. And the best part about that was we could actually test our vehicles to it to see where can we could test our driving skills, we could test our navigation skills and see where can we head towards.
मैं ऑर्गेनाइज़र को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि इन नेक्स्ट एडिशन दे कैन add towards the Bikaner and Jaisalmer side where they have a long dune sections and every competitor will enjoy going in that section.
I want the stages to be fast like the Tarmac stage and the Thar Express. I am not good at the sandy section but I love the sandy section in the SS4. So I want the rally to be more competitive and more challenging. That's what I want from Royal Rajasthan Rally.
In near coming future, I'm expecting like a lot of more motorsport activities should happen here in Rajasthan, and I hope that Raj keeps on working hard on this particular event as well, and keep let the more competitors get into the motorsport event here in Rajasthan.
The officials, the tracks, the organization was very good. There are no complaints about it, including like I don't think there's any problem with anything, any result or any timing issues or any issues with the track or there's something wrong with it. Or I think the rally is just conducted perfectly fine. I don't think there's any other way that I could actually suggest to improve the rally. I'm sure Mr. Raj Singh Rathod can put in something better to make it much better for the next year. I have done pretty well, and I know I could have done better. And even my co-rallyists, the male navigators and drivers, they were very helpful. They used to always check on me, like, you know, if I was all okay, if I needed any help with the instruments or anything. So everyone's very helpful, and even they have never actually looked down because I was a woman. They have always encouraged me, and they always encourage other women to take part in the rallies, and I think it's done good.
तो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा और ट्रैक्स बहुत अच्छे थे, टफ थे, स्टेजेस फास्ट थी. Navigation was a problem, although, but we make it and successfully completed this event. So it was great.
Experience was awesome. Track was nice और काफ़ी अच्छा experience था इस बार का. काफ़ी अलग था, डिफरेंट था और RR is doing very good और जिस हिसाब से वो कर रहे हैं काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है. And I hope कि 2017 also I will be back. ये ऐसा मैं प्लान कर रहा हूँ.
And definitely I'll be there for the third Royal Rajasthan Rally as well. Again, whether it is 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, I don't care. I'm going to be there.
I am definitely going to come here next year and expect to win overall first. That's my aim.